In this video, we'll discuss how to set up dimensional analysis problems. In each problem, there will be no calculation. We will only set up the conversion. We're converting from V over M to V over Cm. So really, the only thing we're converting is meters to centimeters, and that would be this conversion. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the negative 2 meters, just like we have here. When we look at our conversion factor, we can use what's in the conversion factor to set up the problem. Now remember, when you have units, if you have a unit on top of the same unit, so any unit over itself equals 1. So that's the strategy. We're trying to get a unit divided by itself. Notice how we have meters. We're trying to convert from meters. So if we put meters on top, then we can cancel those. So we put meters on top, and then we can take that centimeter, put it on the bottom. So this conversion factor has meters and centimeters, so we have to have both in the conversion. But if we have meters on top and bottom, then we can cancel those units, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. We're trying to cancel units so we can convert from one thing to something else. Once you've done that, then we plug in the numbers in the conversion factor. 10 to the negative 2 meters is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, we'll put 1 next to centimeters. 10 to the negative 2, we'll put that next to meters. In the next conversion, we're converting from milliliters to deciliters. So milli is the first conversion. 1 milliliter is equal to 10 to the negative third liters. And deci is the second conversion. 1 deciliter is equal to 10 to the negative 1 liters. So there are two conversion factors in this problem. We do the same thing. We're going to find the unit that we start with, that we're converting from, and we set up the conversion factor so we can cancel those units. Milliliters, so we plug in milliliters. So it's milliliters and liters in this conversion, so we have to use milliliters and liters. That's our strategy. Milliliters will cancel, leaving liters. So in the next conversion, we have liters and we have deciliters. Since we had liters on top, we want to put liters on bottom so they can cancel. That leaves deciliters on top. Cancel our units. The only unit left over is deciliters. That's verification that we did it right. So we have 1 milliliter, right? So we need to plug in our numbers. 1 milliliter, 10 to the negative third liters. 1 deciliter, 10 to the negative 1 liters. We're finished. Next. In this conversion, grams over centimeters cubed, we're converting that to grams over meters cubed. Notice how your conversion is centimeters to meters. So that's your conversion factor. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the negative 2 meters. Now, this isn't exactly the same. There is one little twist. Cubed. We have exponents. So if these units have an exponent, that's not the same thing as a centimeter. 1 centimeter is not the same thing as centimeters cubed. So we have to cube the conversion factor. Everything else is the same. If we have centimeters, we plug in centimeters. So centimeters on the bottom, we put centimeters on the top, so they cancel. The other unit is meters. And so once we've canceled that centimeters, we can plug in our meters on bottom. Then we plug in our numbers. So we have 1 centimeter, and then we have 10 to the negative 2 meters. And that's it. That is the entire conversion, all done.